Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time. My name is Jasmine Conde, and I'm a realtor in Michigan with 5-star real estate with the Harrington Team. So often, people ask me, what do the neighborhoods look like in Kalamazoo? I thought it'd be better to show you than to tell you. Today, we're gonna go and view Kalamazoo's second largest neighborhood, the Milwood Neighborhood. Let's go. We're going to start off by doing the perimeter of the Milwood neighborhood. First, we're passing Lloyd Norks High School. This is on Kilgore Road. Kilgore Road is to the south. Miller Road is to the north. Sprinkle Road is to the east. And South Burdick is to the west. And then we're just going to go in and out like some in-between streets. Right now, we're just passing some single-family homes in the neighborhood, and we're just going to continue to ride up Kilgore Road. The Millwood Association meets once a month, so if you want to get your voice heard or see what's going on in your neighborhood, this will be the place to go. They meet on the first Tuesday of each month at 7 o'clock p.m. at the Greenwood Reformed Church. Melon Park is a pretty nice park. It's about 49 acres. There you can find some picnic pavilions. It's really great for walking. Have the Portage Creek running through it, and it's just really tranquil. Right now, this is the side of the park, and this is down Lovers Lane. As we continue up Lovers Lane right next to the park, we're going to run into the Kalamazoo golf course. which is pretty cool. It is a public golf course, a public 18-hole golf course. So go to the park and go right next door to tee off. As we continue up Lover's Lane, we're going to run into Milwood Elementary School. Milwood Elementary is one of, I believe, 4 different elementary schools in the Milwood neighborhood. So as we continue going past that, we're going to hit the intersection of Lover's Lane and Cork Street. Over here, you're going to see right across the street behind us O'Reilly's, if you can't see. It's one of my favorite places over here, which is the root beer stand. You can go over there and grab yourself a nice chili dog and a nice root beer. We're about to turn onto Portage Road. As we go up here, we're going to circle into a plaza up here on the left-hand side. This is a neighborhood, Milwood Plaza. You can come in here and grab some breakfast, come in here and get your nails done, and do a little bit of shopping. turning into the Kalamazoo Airport. I love the Kalamazoo Airport. It's a small airport, but it's fast. You get in and out. Not a lot of traffic at this airport. A cool, fun fact about it is it was actually licensed as Michigan's first municipal airport back in February of 1929. So, how cool is that? It used to be named the Lindenberg Field. So, I think that's a cool little fun fact about the airport. Are going to finish this tour off right on up the street, still on Porter Street, just to give you guys a quick little look at the Fairway Lanes. It's a nice family fun center. It's really cool. It has bowling, go-kart racing, obstacle course, putt-putt golf, laser tag, I believe maybe in there too. So cool. So definitely if you guys get a chance, you guys get bored, come inside Airway Lanes and check that out. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the tour of the Milwood neighborhood. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them below in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys really enjoyed the video. Until next time, bye guys.